Okay, so this is one of my all-time favourite images out of my collection. You know the expression, holy cow. Well, the whole point was I used to use it as a handle on certain websites and things, and over time I actually wondered when I started the series, could I actually convert this image into an actual good picture of a holy cow? So this image came about with this Frisian cow, all kind of dressed up as an angel and everything, with his tongue sticking out. This is all because I'm an atheist. I have this disrespect for religion in some respects, and so it's all kind of a parody and pun. And you'll notice you've got JC on it, and unlawful to be not believe. Okay, so all this kind of stuff, and it's all around the idea of mocking religion in a kind of a certain way. So that's where the idea came about.